You had a fast car. It was fast enough so you could fly away. Now it won't even start, and you need a ticket to anywhere, namely work. But you've got no cash and you ain't going nowhere until you fix the car. You've run through the list of cash options and you've come up with nothing, not even an emergency fund. I know you said you'd start building it for times just like these. It happens to all of us. Life comes up and gets in the way of the emergency fund. There may be a viable option of last resort if you have a 401k, a hardship withdrawal. First, you should find out if your plan allows hardship distributions. They're allowed to offer them, but it's not required. If your plan does, you have to meet certain requirements. To qualify for a hardship withdrawal, your financial need must be immediate and heavy, and you can't take out more than what you need. The heavy part would likely be more than $1,000. Remember, it's supposed to be a heavy need. That makes the penalty-free $1,000 emergency distribution, first available in 2024, not a realistic option. But it could be your go-to move first if you don't need more than $1,000. I'll put the link for more information on that in the description below. The plan can stipulate what circumstances meet an immediate and heavy need. Those usually include medical costs, purchase of a home but not mortgage payments, college tuition, preventing foreclosure or eviction, and funeral expenses. Your need to buy a boat or motorcycle or a weekend ski trip to Park City would not qualify for a hardship. This is not a loan. You don't pay it back. You will pay taxes and possibly a penalty. You'll owe tax on the distribution and a 10% penalty if you're younger than 59.5 years old, unless your hardship qualifies for an exemption. There's no penalty if medical expenses are more than 10% of your AGI or you're permanently disabled. And you're allowed to self-certify that you have a true immediate and heavy financial need. You don't have to present bills or other documents to prove it. That's thanks to a provision in the Secure Act 2.0 effective in 2023. That should make for an easier and quicker withdrawal process. After all, it's an emergency and you need the money now. With a hardship withdrawal, you're permanently removing the money from the account. You don't pay it back. That means the money is not in your account and working for you. You'll miss out on the potential investment returns on that amount of money. A 401k loan could be a better option if it's available. You don't have to take a loan before a hardship distribution, but you might consider it. Some plans only allow one loan or maybe two at a time, and many folks working their way out of a financial jam already have a 401k loan. That leaves the hardship withdrawal the only option. But it's not an ideal option. There may be times when it's your only option, though, the option of last resort. So make sure you understand the implications. It has to be an immediate and heavy need. The amount is limited to that immediate need. You don't pay it back. It's not a loan. That means you'll be subject to taxes on the withdrawal and a 10% penalty unless you're disabled or paying medical expenses. Removing money from your retirement plan means it's not in the plan working for you. Only you and your family can determine if your unique situation warrants a hardship distribution. Best of luck. I'll see you in the next episode.